In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use the SUMIFs formula correctly in Smartsheet so you can total values based on multiple conditions. First, open your Smartsheet and locate the data you want to analyze. Make sure you identify the column containing the values you want to sum, along with the columns you'll use as criteria. Next, click the cell where you want the result to appear and begin entering the SUMIFs formula. Start by selecting the range that contains the numbers you want to add together. Then specify the first criteria range and the condition it must meet. If you need additional conditions, continue adding more criteria ranges and criteria values to the formula. For example, you might sum hours worked only for the marketing department and only for tasks marked complete. Once you've entered all the required ranges and criteria, press enter to calculate the result. If the formula doesn't work as expected, double check that all criteria ranges contain the same number of rows as the sum range. After verifying the result, Smartsheet will automatically update the total whenever your source data changes. That's it. You've successfully used the SUMIFs formula in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.